up, guys? I just put in a new rear main seal. Here's the old one. I broke it right there, but you could still see signs of cracking, and that's why I was leaking oil. It's all brittle and old and cracked. You can see right there, 1, 2. It's cracking all along. There's another one right there. So yeah, that one's good. I normally use this to put the old one, to put the new one on. You put the old one on there and you kind of whack it. I hit it with a rubber mallet all the way around until it's seated flush. Should be nice and flush. Shouldn't be in too deep, just flush. What I do is I get a piece of wood and I just make sure it's flush. So I'll hit it with the piece of wood and just make sure that it's flush on all sides, the bottom, the top, so on and so forth. You can see if it's off, but that looks good. I usually put oil around it so it slides in a lot nicer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna put the automatic flywheel back on. What is up, guys? We're putting in a new transmission. I already installed the new rear main seal on the other side of this automatic flywheel. It is an automatic transmission. I normally do 5 speeds, but I also work on automatics as well. The old rear main seal was completely shot, so let me show you that here. It was leaking oil and it is pretty much failed. Over here you can see pretty good that it has a crack. So it's all brittle, it's old, it was gonna leak regardless. So we're doing this transmission. I'm about to put this transmission in for this coupe over here. So let's go ahead and we're gonna throw this bad Larry in. Let's go. So I'm about to put the torque converter into the transmission. This is a rebuilt torque converter, and just so you know, I put 1 full quart of the Honda fluid in there. That way it doesn't run dry. This is the Honda fluid I use, ATF DW1, like they state. So again, there's 1 fluid in here, probably fills up to right here. And then we're gonna just put it in. This is important to put the O-ring on the torque converter, especially on the new one. The old ones should have one on there when you remove it, but the new ones will not when you install it. So here's the part number here, 91302 RNA 003. I have an axle seal here. This is the driver side axle seal, 91205 PL3 A01. And then I also have the front oil seal for the transmission, so that's going to be for this here. So I'm going to remove that with a flathead or a seal tool, and then I'll replace it with the new Honda one. That way I know it's brand new, along with the new O-ring for the torque converter. So that's very important. Do not install the torque converter without the O-ring, because you will experience slippage in the tranny and then it won't shift anymore. So it's a very important step, so make sure you have that O-ring. Alright guys, so the transmission torque converter is in. Now you want to twist it until it catches into place. So I feel resistance now, and if you really want to check, you can see the diff will start moving. So once you start spinning it, you'll see the diff start to move. So once you do that, so like I said, you want to push it in, twist it, it'll lock into place, and you'll know it locks into place, because if it doesn't, it's going to be flush with this. Right now, the gears are behind this. So if it's flush with this lip, then your transmission's not in all the way. You can see right there. I mean, not your transmission, your torque converter's not in all the way. So it'll fall into place, and then you can see that it's really close to the starter and that it's behind this lip. So that's how you know that your torque converter is in. So now we're gonna mate this up. We're gonna turn it to the side and we're gonna mate it right into the block. So let's do that. All right guys, so that pretty much concludes all that. Everything's back together. Batteries in, Manifold's in, everything is in. Coolant, everything is in. So it's looking great. I mean, she definitely sounds better. She looks better. I took out that bracket that was like poking out underneath the license plate. So she looks good. Sounds good too.